What are some proven methods to reduce or completely stop snoring? Hey, stop. If you or your partner snores, you need to pay attention to this video. I'm going to show you some methods that are proven to reduce or completely stop your snoring as soon as tonight. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can use one simple solution to never snore again. Yes, it is that powerful. But before I get into the method, I need you to do me a quick favor. Click the heck out of that like button and smash the subscribe button with all your might. And when the notification bell appears, I want you to ring that bell so loud that your neighbors could hear. Okay, so now that's out of the way, let's talk about how you can actually put an end to snoring once and for all. The first tip is lifestyle changes. Yes, I know that may sound boring and it may not be the first answer that you're looking for, but it is very important. Pay attention to your weight and don't drink alcohol before bed. Also, don't smoke and yada yada yada. Did you know that all those health stuff that you keep hearing about on TV or in health magazines are actually true? Whether you want to believe it or not, they are right. So if you want to stop snoring and let your partner get some sleep, you need to start making some drastic lifestyle changes. Which brings me to tip number 2. Regardless of how tired you may feel, take a warm shower just before bed and clear your clogged nostrils. You see, one of the main reasons why some people snore is because air cannot flow freely through their nostrils. As a result, when they are exhaling, the air is bouncing on the walls of their nostrils and forcing its way through a narrow hole. That is what produces the loud snoring sound. It is pretty much as if you were blowing into a bottle. Simply taking a warm shower and clearing your clogged nostrils can do wonders and give you a peaceful night rest. And tip number 3, sleep on your belly or your side, but never on your back. Similar to when your nostrils are clogged and air can't pass through, when you sleep on your back, your tongue will fall into the back of your throat and block your airway. Again, this will result in air trying to force its way out when you're exhaling. To prevent this, all you have to do is just roll over on your side. And this brings us to tip number 4, use a proven snoring device. Some people may feel a little embarrassed to use a device to help them stop snoring. But let me ask you this, which is more embarrassing? Using a device and everyone gets a good night's sleep, or refusing to use an effective device and you sound like a freight train when sleeping? I'm sure you'll make the right choice. That said, there are a ton of devices on the market and you may not know which one is right for your specific case. So check out the links in the description or visit byebyesnoring.com for a full review of the stop snoring devices on the market. That will help you to make the best choice on which device is right for you. So there you have it, guys. 4 methods that are proven to reduce or completely stop snoring once and for all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please honor the like button and change the color of the subscribe button from red to grey. Thanks again for watching and see you soon.